Are you ready to learn how to deliver feedback that truly makes a difference? This lesson will equip you with practical strategies to give feedback that helps your colleagues grow, improve team performance, and build a positive workplace culture with these essential tips. Constructive feedback is information given to help someone improve their performance or behavior. It's specific, actionable, and delivered respectfully with the goal of supporting growth. Giving constructive feedback is essential in the workplace. It encourages professional growth, builds trust and respect among team members, and leads to better team performance. Many people find it difficult to give feedback. Always give feedback in a private setting at an appropriate time and when you both have enough time to discuss the issue without rushing. Discuss issues privately and at a suitable time to ensure thorough understanding without rushing. Feedback tips use specific examples when giving feedback. Avoid vague statements and focus on actions or behaviors, not the person's character. The SBI model stands for situation, behavior, and impact. Describe the situation, explain the behavior you observed, and share the impact it had. Balance your feedback by recognizing strengths as well as areas for improvement. Ending on a positive note helps maintain motivation and confidence. Always use a calm and respectful tone. Show empathy by understanding the other person's perspective and listening actively to their response. Feedback should be a two-way conversation. Ask for the other person's viewpoint, invite questions, and work together to find solutions. Help the person understand what they can do differently in the future. Set clear expectations, agree on next steps, and offer your support. Avoid giving feedback in public, making personal attacks, or overwhelming someone with too much feedback at once. After giving feedback, follow up to check on progress. Offer encouragement and adjust your approach if necessary to support ongoing improvement. Here's an example. In yesterday's meeting, I noticed the project was submitted after the deadline. This delayed our team's schedule. Let's discuss how we can avoid this in the future. Practice by thinking of a real situation at work. Use the SBI model to structure your feedback and always focus on how the person can improve. It's also important to receive feedback well. Listen without interrupting, ask clarifying questions, and thank the person for their input. A workplace that values feedback creates a culture of continuous improvement, higher employee engagement, and stronger teams. Remember, be specific and respectful, use the SBI model, and focus on solutions to make your feedback truly constructive. Identify an opportunity to give feedback at work, plan your approach using what you've learned, and reflect on the results to keep improving your skills. Identify opportunities to give feedback at work. Plan your approach and reflect on the results. Congratulations! You've learned how to deliver constructive feedback at work. Practice these skills to help yourself and your team succeed.